Hi guys, I thought I'd pop in and show you what I'm doing. So we have this gigantic zucchini that came from our garden and it needs to be eaten, and I'm like, how in the heck am I gonna work with this? So I like spiralized zucchini that looks like a noodle, right? And it's great. You can do lots of stuff with that, but you can't put this in the Epicure spiralizer. So I want to show you a tip with our mandolin, okay? And the mandolin's a really good tool, but normally we're holding the mandolin like this and coming down. And I'm experimenting and fooling around in my kitchen this morning. So I'm about to make lunch, and I'm going to do an Alfredo sauce with zucchini noodles. So I'm just going to literally steam the zucchini for 2 minutes and then make the Alfredo sauce, which will take 5. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the mandolin a little bit differently on this. You got to be careful because this is sharp and we have to respect the tool, right? So whoever's watching, just post below that you're watching. So I'm actually taking the mandolin, holding it upside down, and I'm holding my zucchini here, balancing it. And I'm taking my mandolin and I'm pulling it forward towards me. Be very careful. And I'm getting these really lovely, I've never done this before, noodles. So I'm going to do it again. And oh, look at that. It's a nice slice. So you got to be careful. Do it slowly. And look at that. That's one layer of the zucchini into noodles. So great way to use your zucchini noodles. And if you can see, I've got quite a pile here. I tried, so there's 4 different blades for the mandolin, right? There's one with really tiny, like julienne, 2 flat, and then this is a larger julienne version. I really like this mandolin, but like I said before, you got to respect the tool because it'll bite you. So I'm going to go back and I'll do one more and just pull it across and try to keep it flat, and then you get your really cool zucchini noodles. So I'm sort of kind of getting down into the center of this thing. So I'm going to actually turn it around. Now I got a flat bottom, so it might be even more easier to stabilize. So the first layer is just all that. So throw it to the side. Respect the tool. So there's your noodles. Oh my God, this is actually working really well. So if you're gonna pickle some zucchini, oh look at that. Okay guys, this is a working. So there you go. Cool. So I've got enough zucchini now. This is my massive, hi Kathleen, my massive zucchini from the garden. So if you watch the whole video, press replay, but there you go. There are all my noodles. We're gonna just throw them in the steamer and cook them for 2 minutes, and I'll make my Alfredo sauce. Awesome! It's gonna be a good lunch. So thanks for watching. I just finished everything, so come back and rewatch. Press hashtag replay and tell me what you think of this idea, because I think pretty cool to work with your mandolin. Okay guys, happy lunch hour.